Okay, so we have this problem. We have f of x is equal to 5x plus 5, and we want to find f inverse of f inverse of x, and then find f composed with f inverse of -1. All right, so I'm going to make this f of x equal to y. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch my x and my y. So I'm going to get x is equal to 5y plus 5. And I'm going to solve for y in terms of x. So to do that, I'm going to subtract 5 to both sides. I'm going to get x minus 5 is equal to 5y. I'm going to divide by 5, and I'm going to get y is equal to 1/5 x minus 1. All right. This is my f inverse right here. All right. And then it wants us to do f composed with f inverse of -1. All right. So let's look at what f composed with f inverse is first. F composed with f inverse of -1. F inverse of -1 means we're going to take -1 and plug it in here. So f inverse of -1 is 1/5 times -1 minus 1, which is -1/5 minus 1, which is -1/5 minus 5/5, which is -6/5. All right, so I got my f inverse of -1. Now I need to do f of f inverse of -1. Well, we just found what f inverse of -1 is. We just said it's -6/5. So this is f of -6/5. So we're going to plug it in our f of x function. And we're going to get f of -6/5 is equal to 5 times -6/5 minus 5. It's plus 5. Our f of x is 5x plus 5. All right. So this 5 and this 5 are going to cancel. So we have -6 plus 5, which is -1. So we got back the -1 that we started with. That'll always happen whenever you have f composed with f inverse of whatever. If you had like a flower right here, f of f inverse of flower is going to be flower for whatever flower you pick.